Hello there everyone, welcome to ESL Powerhouse. In today's lesson we are going to study past simple. The past simple tense is used to describe actions that happened and were completed in the past. For example, I visited my grandparents yesterday. Next example, he cooked dinner last night. This is the structure of past simple. S stands for subject, V stands for verb, and C stands for complement. What is subject? Subject is a person, place, or a thing that we talk about. For example, John fixed the car. And here John is the subject. Why? Because we are talking about John. What is verb? A verb shows a state or action in a sentence. For example, John fixed the car. Now what is the verb in the sentence? Very good. Fixed is the verb. Why? Because it is the action of John. What is complement? A complement is a word or group of words which complete the meaning of a sentence. For example, John fixed the car. And here the car is the complement because it completes the meaning of the sentence. She started her new job last Monday. Let's analyze the sentence according to the structure. What is she? It is subject. What is started? It is verb. And what is the rest? It is complement. Look at some more examples. She finished her homework an hour ago. I met my friend at the park yesterday. They watched a movie last night. We played soccer last weekend. He read a book last week. Read the text below and identify how many verbs are used in their past form. Then leave a comment listing the verbs you found in their past form. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.